Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete a contact on Google. So what you want to do, head over to google.com, ensure that you sign into your account, then click the Google Apps here on the upper right hand side. Scroll down to where you'll find contacts, click on that. Now here you'll find the email addresses or the contacts that you have in your Google account. Now to delete one, you simply want to hover over that account and you want to go to the right hand side of that account and simply click the more actions here and simply click on delete. Go ahead and move that to trash. Now that account will be deleted, or let's say move to trash. Now the next thing you want to do is just click on trash. Here you'll find that email account and you simply want to go ahead and click on that email account, and here you want to simply go ahead and click on empty trash now. Now once you go ahead and click empty trash now, what it's going to do, it's going to permanently delete that for you. And as you can see, it says contact in trash will be deleted forever. This can't be undone. So simply click on empty trash. You'll have the option to possibly verify, so go ahead and click on continue, and from here you want to go ahead and enter your email address of your email account. Now once you enter your email address guys, simply click on next, and that's going to allow you now to permanently delete that email address. Keep in mind that any contacts that you want to permanently delete, you have to ensure that this is something that you want to do, and that's why you have to go through multiple steps in order to confirm this, because once you permanently delete that, it can't be undone. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.